Is it? I thought you could use an upgrade for your blogs from Carlo Rosillo. Look at that, guys. It's for my blog. Oh my God. Let me see. What is it? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So wait, I got a knife in my hand. But anyway, guys, today is I'm unboxing the birthday gift from my son and from my friend. So my friend's present is over here, but I'm gonna bring it over here. But I'm going to do my son first. But anyway, did you see my t-shirt? Did you see that? That's what he got me this one first, and then the rest didn't come until today. So guys, he told me to open it today. But pardon me for my excuse for my knife, but that's what I'm gonna open for. This is what I'm gonna open for my package. So guys, see, there it is. We'll see. I'm so excited. Okay. So guys, how are you guys today? It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-post kasi it's been busy. Oh, I hope something. Oh, wow! Look, what is this? Did you guys see it? So pretty, purple. Oh, okay. This said Muse Park. Here, I should just go closer. So right here, I don't know what it is. And then, oh, what is this? Oh, so in this, let me go see. I need my glasses. You know, I can't see if I don't have my glasses on. We'll see. So they said there is only one happiness in life, to love and to be loved. Oh, that is so sweet. My gosh. Oh, it's remember I love you, mom. Oh my God, look at that, guys. This is so awesome. Remember I love you, mom. Look at that. Are you guys crying already? Yeah, I think I'm gonna cry almost. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Carlo. Thank you. I think my daughter is this is probably from two of them. Everything I am you hope me to be. Oh, look at those. That's what exactly what he said. That's what exactly everything I am you hope you help me to be. So ayan. And look at this. What is this? Look at the guys. So cute. And say, if there's anything in the card. Yeah, something written in here. Is it? I thought you could use an upgrade for your blogs from Carlo Rosillo. Look at that, guys. It's for my blog. Oh my God. Let me see. What is this? See? For my blogging, guys. For my blogging. Wow. We need to take pictures in this. Look. Huh? Wow. For my blogging. Huh. I'm excited. What do you think is this? Holy moly. So excited, guys. Wow. For my blogging. What is this? He sent it for Amazon, guys. Amazon, you also. Look at this. Let me see what is in there. You guys are excited? I can't wait. I can see it now. You guys can see it? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at the guys. Look at that. smartphone video microphone kit from Blogger for blog. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. So I wanna, do you guys wanna open it? Smartphone video microphone kit for blogging, for blog. Look, for blog. Oh my gosh. I wanna see it. Let me go open it. Wow. Let's open it. Wow. I'm thinking to something let me go see. I can't. I'm gonna use my knife. See. This is for my vlogging. I like the note. I like the note when he said, see, he said, if you guys can see it, you guys can read it. He said, I thought you could use an upgrade for your blog from Carlo Rosillo. From my son, guys, from my son. Look at that. I can't wait to open it. Let's go open it. Let's go open it. My gosh. It's a microphone. Oh, look at how cute this is. So cute. This is the outside, but this is, look, this is so cute. There's a little bag. It said use key vision. Use key vision. Look, right there. Right there. Let me go open it. Oh, isn't it so cute, guys? So cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the inside. Look at the inside. So cute. I don't know how to use this, but I might learn. Oh, so it's probably the the tripod. See, if I probably just like a little bit farther here. Wait, right here in the table. See, this one I'll put it down here. Oh, it's the tripod. Let me go put a little bit there so you guys can see it. So here, but the case is so cute too. So here, right here, we'll put it down here, right there. Did you guys see my flowers in my birthday? There it is, my birthday flowers. But so we're gonna, this is my, I love this one too. See, you guys see it? See, remember, I love you, Mom. So cute. I always love. And that's when he said, everything I am, you help me to be. Yes. Oh, that is so cute. But let's put this one together. This is the brochure how to put together. Service card. This is so cute. But we'll see. There's a microphone in here too. The key vision use key. Well, let me go. Oh, see, there's like you can attach it in your phone probably. And then a little thing. I don't know what it is. Maybe put it in here. So we'll just put that in there. This is so cute, guys. And then oh, this is the microphone thing. So like this is the, see, the microphone thing that you can put the microphone here, and then that a little thing here, right there. It's like a foam. I know I saw this one from other blogger. So, and this one, I think you can put your phone in here. See, right there. I think over here you can use it different ways. Is this the microphone? Oh yeah, I think this is it. So this one probably goes here. Oh yeah, so this one goes here. Right there. And then which one? Oh boy. And this one goes here. Right here. Oh yeah, so see, right there. And this one goes the other side. So we're attaching this one here, right there. There we go. I'm learning, guys. Ha. So there it is. There. I put it in there. And then where's the other thing? Oh, I think it's in here. Oh, it's right here. I think this is the one. Is there anything in here that I can see? So supposed to be. Oh, right here, right there. Oh, see? Ha! Here you go, guys. There you go. I'll put this one over there. Oh, here it is. And then I think this one goes here. There you go. There you go. Here you go, guys. And then there. Ayan. Tapos there you go. Can I do something in here? No? Right there. And I think we can there it is. Yeah, there you go. Here you go, guys. And then I can put, all right, and then the phone here, I can put this one here. Is it in here? Oh, over here. Either I put this one here. There you go, guys. Yan. My microphone. There you go, guys. All done. I can't put my phone right now because I'm using it right there. So there you go, guys. So yan. I think we have to do it this way. Oh. Oh, here. I think I'm gonna have to. Oh, there it is. Ah, I just push the thing and then they go up to put your phone. Yeah, and then you can oh my gosh, so cute. Carlo, thank you so much. My God, this is awesome. I cannot believe you even think about what I need for my blogging. You are the one. Oh, you are. Thank you for supporting me for my hobby now. I didn't even think that you're gonna support me for this, but thank you so much. And my look, my Filipina present t-shirt. Yeah, my badass Filipina. Is that how you say it? There you go. Thank you, Carlo. I love you so much. Bye-bye. Well, guys, thank you for watching, guys. I still have presents over there, but it's already 14 minutes. So, but I'm gonna do separate my other presents there. But this is for just from my son and probably for my daughter too. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much and I missed you. I'll see you soon.